Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar is facing quite the heat after a video that surfaced of him reprimanding a woman IPS officer. The officer was stopped by Ajit Pawar for ensuring a crackdown on illegal soil excavation and illegal soil mining that was happening in Solapur's Karmala Taluka when she was confronted by some NCP workers. One of them connected her directly to Ajit Pawar saying speak to him. And in that call, Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Ajit Pawar, very sternly told that lady officer that she's got to stop that action right there and then and leave from there. Warning, if she didn't do it, then she will get suspended, that she will face consequences. He went up to say, things like, "Tu itni daring ho gayi hai. मैं action lunga. You've got to stop this." The clip, of course, went viral, sparking outrage. Ajit Pawar has since clarified that he never intended to block the law enforcement. He only was trying to ensure the spirit of the Karyakartas or the NCP ground workers is retained. He's trying to de-escalate tensions, reaffirming that he has highest respect for women officers. Ajit, though, added that illegal sand and soil mining must be punished strictly, but critics say that this episode exposes political interference in policing. A quick look at what happened.
को मदद करने का ही काम है सर।
मिनिस्टर आपके साथ बोल रहा हूँ, मैं आपको आदेश देता हूँ कि वो रुकवाओ और आप जाओ और तहसीलदार को बताओ कि अजित पवार जी का फोन आया था। डिप्टी चीफ मिनिस्टर ने मुझे कहा ये सब रुकवाने के लिए, क्योंकि अभी मुंबई में जरा मुंबई का माहौल एकदम खराब हुआ है, उसको अपने को प्राधान्य देना है। मेरा नाम बताओ उनको।
सर वो मुझे आप एक काम कीजिए, आप मुझे मेरे फोन में मतलब डायरेक्ट कॉल कीजिए ना।
एक मिनट, मैं तेरे ऊपर एक्शन लूंगा। अभी मैं खुद आपके साथ बोल रहा हूँ कि आप मुझे डायरेक्ट कॉल बता दिए।
सर मुझे कैसे पता है आप सर समझ रही है सर, जो आप बोल रही है समझ रही है, पर मुझे
मुझे देखना है ना, तेरा नंबर दे दो या व्हाट्सएप कॉल करो।
ठीक है सर,
मैं यहाँ से बोल देता हूँ।
ठीक है सर,
मेरा चेहरा तो आपको समझ में आएगा ना।
ठीक है सर।
इतना आपको डेयरिंग हुआ है क्या
सर? मेरे को कार्रवाई जो किया है मुझे कैसे पता है सर?
Ajit Pawar there clearly almost berating that lady officer, saying that you have become so bold that you're not even listening to me. This was how he spoke to her in front of they claim it's NCP workers, but the police there was cracking down on illegal soil mining. And imagine a lady officer was trying to do her job, spoken to in this fashion. How would it really motivate police officers and women particularly? I can only imagine.